Welcome back everyone, my name is Davin Reddy. From a long time on different platforms, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, I'm getting this request to make a video on how to be a video content creator. Now maybe they want to create their own YouTube channel, or maybe they want to publish their video courses online on different platforms. But they have this request, or maybe there are some people that are just curious to know what is happening behind the scene. In fact, I wanted to make a video or the entire series on it. In fact, I've already uploaded a video on how Camtasia works, how do I edit my videos, but now I'm thinking about making the entire course. The thing is, being an online content creator is not that easy. So I have seen a lot of people in the industry who are corporate trainer or who are teachers, they are making their own videos now. And that's a great effort, you know, because when I started 5 years back, it was very different. We were not having a lot of people who are making education content. But now I'm seeing a lot of people emerging. They are trying different stuff. They want to share their knowledge, right? And that's the thing I love about YouTube or internet. You know, you can share your knowledge. Doesn't matter what you are teaching, maybe programming or life etiquettes or professional etiquette, how to exercise and everything, right? It's about sharing knowledge. And that's why, in fact, I want to make this series of not just programming, but also how do you create your own online content. Now, first of all, when you say you are making an online content, there is one thing important. Yes, we need different gadgets. We need a camera, a microphone, computer to edit videos. But we also need one important thing, which is the attitude. Now, first of all, when you take a classroom session, of course, everyone have got this experience of giving a seminar in the classroom. We have a different scenario there, right? Because in a classroom, you have multiple people, you can have an eye contact there. But when you record yourself, it's weird, right? The first time when you look at your camera, you will not feel comfortable. In fact, that's my experience. When I started, I was not comfortable looking at my own camera on the mobile phone. And the second thing is the mic. In fact, when you record yourself, maybe you think you sound different, but then the moment you listen to yourself, you will not like it. So you have to keep those things aside, and it takes time to get used to it. Looking at your own face after recording and hearing your own audio. So that's the thing we have to change. Okay, we have to accept it. This is how we look. This is how we sound. The next thing is the content. Now, when you take a classroom session, we have a different set of content, right? Example, when you take a classroom session, we might have a session for 1 hour or 30 minutes or 2 hours. We can go slow, we can have your own pace, you can depend upon how your audience react, you can change your pace. But that's not the case with online content, you know, because you are looking at the camera. The moment you look at camera, your speed will increase, or maybe for some people, the speed will decrease. It changes, you know. Your speed might increase or might decrease. You're not sure if you're saying something, are they really understanding it? So that's something you have to practice. You have to practice looking at your camera a lot of time. So if you want to make a video for 5 minutes or 5-minute video, you may have to practice for half an hour. You may have to practice for 1 hour. Maybe you want to create your own script. I don't follow script. I never write script for myself, but you can try it out. So if you're not comfortable, you can write a script. Those are something which I want to cover in the entire course, start to end. Maybe recording yourself as well. How do you buy a camera? Do we really have to buy a camera? Because nowadays we have these advanced mobile phones. You can shoot yourself from mobile phone as well. Do you really need a high-end mic? Yes, after a long time, after spending 5 years on YouTube making content, now I have a lot of gadgets. Like we have a camera there, we have a professional mic. We also have a good mic, which is Blue Yeti. I'm trying to upgrade as well, but initially, I was not having all those gadgets. Can you record yourself with a normal phone, with a normal microphone, or your headphones itself? So after mic, the next thing is how to edit the videos. Yes, there are different set of videos we have. You can record yourself. You can record the screen, the computer screen. You can record yourself, or you can use a green screen the way we have there. And how to edit those videos? Do we have to buy a software? Can we go for a free software? In the market, yes, we have amazing free softwares available. But if you want to get that professional touch, you may have to buy a software. A lot of people think, you know, why to buy a software? But think about it. If you are planning to do it in a good way, if you want to make it professional, you may have to spend some money. And then also about if you want to make a video content, you might want to upload that on YouTube. Everyone knows how to use a YouTube. But what if you want to have your own platform where you want to publish your videos? Maybe the question is, do we have to create our own platform to do that? You can collaborate with anyone. You can collaborate with me. You can publish your course on my platform, or you can create your own platform. Is it difficult? Of course not. So I will try to show you the steps how to create your own content and how to upload them on your own platform. let me know your thoughts on this series, because I will make it provided I get a good response. So let me know your thoughts if you really want me to make a series on this, because we have so many things lined up here. Maybe I have to pause them and then start this series. So let me know your thoughts, how excited you are on these things. So let me know in the comment section, everyone. Bye bye.